Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Professor Park Red Academy. Today, we're diving into a powerful message from the Bible. You are the salt of the earth, but if salt loses its taste, how shall its saltiness be restored? Let's explore how this applies to our lives and careers. Salt is essential in cooking. It enhances flavor and preserves food. Similarly, our unique qualities and talents enhance the world around us. Just like salt, we're meant to bring out the best in our surroundings. Imagine a chef preparing a delicious meal. Without salt, the dish is bland, but a pinch of salt can transform it. Our contributions, no matter how small, can make a big difference in our communities, workplaces, and families. As students or professionals, our saltiness could be our creativity, work ethic, or ability to connect with others. These qualities make us valuable, but if we lose our passion or integrity, we become ineffective. So, how do we keep our saltiness? By continuously learning, growing, and staying true to our values. Surround yourself with inspiring people, take on challenges, and remember why you started your journey. This way, you stay fresh and impactful. Think of a team working on a project. Each member brings unique strengths. Together, they create a successful project that none could achieve alone. That's the power of maintaining your saltiness and contributing your best. In summary, you are the salt of the earth. Your unique qualities are needed to make a difference. Stay true to yourself, keep learning, and never lose your passion. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this message inspiring, comment, and subscribe to the Professor Park Red Academy. Share this video with someone who needs a reminder of their worth. Stay salty, everyone, and see you next time. And remember, you're never too seasoned to add a little more flavor to the world. See you in the next video.